This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Lesa Darnell. This is it. A contemporary, completely remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath 1-level ranch. This home features an open floor plan, a fresh new kitchen, oversized island, tile backsplash, all new stainless appliances stay, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, new light fixtures, fans, new windows, no carpet, freshly painted, new remodeled bathrooms, walk-in shower in the master bedroom, new water heater, oversized laundry room. You will see the quality and the great care that was put into remodeling this home. It's stunning. There is a 1-car attached garage and a huge 2-car detached garage behind the home, with plenty of room to put in another driveway to the garage. This garage is a perfect workshop. Located near the new Amazon distribution center. AT&T fiber optic internet is available at the road. Very convenient to Knoxville, Alcoa, Maryville, McGee-Tyson Airport, restaurants and shopping. Local parks, schools, waterways, Eguani Farms and Pine Lakes Golf Clubs, Bicentennial Greenbelt are close by. It's move-in ready. Hurry and make your appointment. This home will sell fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Lesa Darnell at 865-342-4200.